Assalamu alaikum, this is Nabeera Andleeb from Blind Help Project. Today, in this video, I will be talking about MultiLang Add-on of NVDA. Through this add-on, you can configure multiple languages and read text in different languages in Microsoft Windows, just like you do with Auto-TTS on your Android phones. You can download this add-on from the BHP website. However, the link will also be provided in the description box. So let's learn how you can make best out of it. First of all, we will install the add-on. I have already downloaded it.
Items view list MultiLang V 2025.05.1016 of 43. Add-on installation dialog. Are you sure you want to install this add-on? Only install add-ons from trusted source. Installing add-on. Restart NVDA dialog. Changes were made to add-ons. You must restart NVDA for these changes to take effect.
Now it is asking to restart NVDA. I'll go ahead and restart it.
NVDA window.
Now I'm going to the synthesizer settings. For this, I will press Ctrl plus Insert plus S.
Select synthesizer dialog.
The insert key means the NVDA key.
MultiLang.
I'll press enter on MultiLang.
NVDA window.
Let's go to the voice settings. Ctrl plus Insert plus V.
NVDA settings. Speech normal configuration dialog.
I'll press tab.
Change button Alt H. Default voice. Combo box English. N collapsed Alt V.
The default voice is English. I'll press tab again.
Synthesizer. Combo box eSpeak NG collapsed Alt S.
The synthesizer is eSpeak, but I'll change it to IBM TTS.
IBM TTS.
Then I'll press tab.
Send text language to synthesizer checkbox checked.
Send text to synthesizer. We'll need to uncheck it. Otherwise, we'll get double speech feedback.
Not checked. Default voice. Combo box English and collapsed Alt V.
Now I'll press the letter U here.
Urdu.
Then tab.
Synthesizer. Combo box eSpeak NG collapsed Alt S.
By default, eSpeak is selected. Press tab again.
Send text language to synthesizer checkbox checked.
Whenever you select a language, make sure to uncheck this checkbox.
Not checked.
We will set the next synthesizer for Hindi.
Synthesizer. Combo box east. Default voice. Combo box Urdu. Collapsed Alt V. Hindi high. Synthesizer. Combo box eSpeak NG collapsed Alt S.
For Hindi, eSpeak is selected.
Send text language to synthesizer checkbox checked.
We will uncheck this option too.
Not checked. Profile. Combo box default collapsed Alt P.
Next, profile is default. This feature might help if you use multiple profiles. For instance, separate profile for Word, Excel, and general use.
Use language detection based on Unicode scripts checkbox checked. Ignore numbers in language detection checkbox not checked.
We need to check this option.
Checked. Latin voice. Combo box English and collapsed Alt L.
Keep Latin voice set to English.
Cyrillic voice. Combo box Russian. Ru collapsed. Arabic voice. Combo box Arabic. R collapsed Alt A.
Set Arabic voice to Urdu.
Urdu. Devanagari voice. Combo box Hindi. High collapsed Alt D.
For Devanagari, set Hindi.
CJK characters voice. Combo box Chinese. Simplified. ZH collapsed Alt C.
For CJK characters, leave it set to Chinese. However, if you want to select the Chinese language, you can. Keep in mind that you can configure only 5 languages, not more than that. Now our settings are done. The remaining options are not useful for us, so I'll press Alt plus A to apply the settings.
Categories. List Alt C.
Then Shift plus Tab to go to OK and press Enter.
OK button.
Now we will read the text. I have text available in English, Urdu, and Hindi.
Blind Help Project. BHP is an independent, volunteer-based resource that aims to empower the blind and visually impaired across the world in understanding and learning a variety of accessible software applications by making them readily available.
I'll read the Urdu text.
Blind Help Project.
BHP.
I had configured eSpeak for Urdu. Now it is reading the Urdu language. You see that where the English text appears, IBM TTS reads it. Where there is Urdu text, eSpeak is reading it. Now let's check the Hindi text and see what happens there.
Blind Help Project.
BHP.
I had configured eSpeak for Hindi. Now eSpeak is also reading Hindi. In this way, you can configure and use multiple languages on your system. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you liked it, share it with your friends as well. And also, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it. We will meet again in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.